Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can view your battery usage and activity on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's swipe up to go back to your home screen. And then on your home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, you want to go down and tap on Battery. Next, down here, you can view your battery information in the last 24 hours or in the last 10 days. Down here is a battery level, so it tells you what is being used, at what time, and how much is being used. You also got activity graph down here. Now if you go down here, you can tap on show activity and it will show you all the apps using your battery by the hours. So here, for example, YouTube have been using 2 hours and 38 minutes of your battery life. And here it says 31 minutes of screen time and 2 hours and 7 minutes on the background. And here you got settings, 2 hours and 25 minutes. And if you tap on show battery usage, it will show you what is being used by the percentage of your battery. So in settings, I have used 42% of the battery. YouTube app, I have used 13%. Safari, I have used 12%. So that will show you a breakdown of the apps using the percentage, using your battery by percentage or by the time. Now up here in the graph, you can also view by a day. So you tap on the day that you want to view, and the data will changes just based on the day that you select. So here you can see this one now showing on this particular day, Safari uses the most battery usage, and on Sunday, settings uses the most battery. If you tap on that same bar again, it will show you the graph for the whole 10 days that we have selected, or the last 24 hours. If you tap on the last 24 hours, it will show you a breakdown of the 24 hours format, and then you can view the usage by the hours. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.